Hello friends, good morning. I'm Dr. Suresh Pandey, and today we have a special guest with us, Mrs. Victoria Singh. And Mrs. Victoria is staying in Kota since last 25 years, and she is coming for regular follow-up for glaucoma at Suvi Eye Hospital since last 16 years. And friends, as you all know that glaucoma is one of the most leading cause of blindness in India and worldwide, and it's very important to continue putting drops or follow doctor's advice in order to prevent loss of vision. So I would ask Victoria ji to share her experience of glaucoma, how is she managing to control her, to keep her pressure control. She's having this problem glaucoma since last 15 years, and her pressure is always controlled. So I would request her to share her experience of managing glaucoma.
Well, I first had a problem right back in 1988 when I was pregnant with my second child, and I suddenly realized that I couldn't see very well in one eye, and I had one of these what do they call it?
Circle.
So yeah, one of these tests where they fire light at you.
Yes.
So, but the doctor over there in the hospital, he just said, "Go away. You're lucky that you can see anything." So nobody took any interest. And then I moved to India, and because of the bright light, I started getting cataracts. So I had both lenses were changed when I was 50, which is quite young. And after that, it was found that I was getting high pressure, and Dr. Suresh Pandey, he was the one who said this is glaucoma and you should start taking drops. So I did take the drops for a long time, and then I went to England on a holiday and I couldn't get them. You cannot buy drops over the counter in England. You have to have a doctor's prescription. I couldn't get them, and I rather forgot about it, and I got a bit lazy and I stopped doing it. And I came back to England, to India, and I was stopped the drops. And then I started to get headaches, and I started to realize that this was a problem, and I went back to the doctor, and they said, no, you must take drops for the rest of your life. And so I have done. So you must listen to Dr. Pandey or your doctor, and if he says drops twice a day, then you must do it. And I buy 2 bottles at a time. So I've always got one ready. So you should never stop, and you should always take them. And if you have a problem, then consult the doctor. He's always available, but you should keep the pressure under control by taking the drops and treating it seriously.
Yeah, that's very good message, Victoria. Actually, you have said very correctly that it's very important to continue putting drops. Otherwise, what happens? Glaucoma can damage the optic nerve. This is the optic nerve. This is the eyeball model, and this is the optic nerve, which is very important. The part of the foresight. So any uncontrolled pressure can lead to irreversible damage to the optic nerve, what is known as the nerve sight. So it's very important to continue putting drops meticulously, religiously, very strictly, and always purchase 2 drops, or keep an extra drop with you, so that if you run out of the drop, then you can start putting the another drop which is with you. And thirdly, it's very important to keep in mind that sometimes these anti-glaucoma drops can have some adverse effects such as redness in the eye or some localized allergy. So don't try to stop the drop just because you notice some redness or mild congestion in the eye. Always discuss with your doctor, and these problems such as redness or hyperemia of the eyeball, they subside after some time, or after some age, after few hours. So that is not something very serious problem, but this can happen once you put the drop. There can be mild allergy, mild redness in the eye, some mild, sometimes the drops can lead to mild hyperpigmentation near the periocular area. So these are the very mild, adverse effect of these drops. But the most important role of these drops is to control the intraocular pressure, and it's very important to maintain the target pressure. The target pressure is that for example, if your optic nerve is damaged to 80% or 90%, then one must maintain the target pressure to 10 or 12 millimeter of mercury. And there is a fluctuation of the pressure, what is known as diurnal variation. So always put the drop at the fixed time. For example, if you are putting twice a day, maintain the timing 9 a.m. in the morning, 9 p.m. or 8 a.m. or 8 p.m. And some drops need to be put on the night time, so you can maintain or fix the timing 10 p.m. in the evening, late evening hours. And always visit to your doctor once in a 6 months and get the pressure checked, get the field test done, so that your pressure must be in control. I would like to request you that glaucoma runs in the family. So anybody who has history of glaucoma or who is putting the drops for glaucoma, always encourage your children to get their pressure checked, because it runs in the family. Anybody who is more than 40 years of age, or is there any history of trauma, or or hypertensive or diabetic, there is high risk of glaucoma. And glaucoma is a silent thief of sight. So it's very important to get your pressure checked. And one most last important message which I want to give you today, that many times we are busy and we go to optical counters for getting our glasses fixed, or getting our power glasses from them opticians. And you miss the pressure checking. So anytime you go to your doctor, always get your eye pressure checked. Ask them that what is my eye pressure. Ask them that please tell me about my eye pressure. Get your retina checked after putting the drops, because one must do the eye checkup thoroughly. It is a silent thief of sight. It can run in the family, and so that therefore it's very important, in order to prevent glaucoma, or to minimize the sequelae of glaucoma, you should get your eye pressure checked every 6 months. Thank you so much.
Thank you.